Hello, I am Paolalcripoll from Paolahealing.com. I am an emotion coach certified practitioner. Today I will explain you the 7 keys for emotion coach, how this works. Okay, key number 1 is permission. To connect with you and to work with you, I need your permission because I'm gonna work with your energy. I need to have your permission. It's like when you go to a doctor, you allow the doctor or to the dentist and you give permission to work with you. So when you work with an energy healer, it's the same. It's very invasive if we don't ask permission and we just say, oh no, yes, that people it needs, so I'm gonna work with the person. No, so having permission, it's important. If you want me to work with your child, you can give permission if they are under 18 years old. If you have a family member that is very close for you and from you and is in the hospital, you can give permission to work with that person, or a family member that is very close with that person. So this is key number 1. Also, emotion code works for animals. So if you are the owner of an animal, you can give permission and I can work with your pet or with the animal that you have. Key number 2. Key number 2 is proxy. What is proxy? Proxy means distance connection. It doesn't matter the part of the world that you are living, because when you give me permission, I will do distance connection with you. I can be in one part of the world, you can be in another part of the world, and making the connection, I will work with you. I'm going to connect with your subconscious mind. That is the big computer, the one that knows everything. And your subconscious mind is going to answer me with yes and no questions. I will explain how it's going to answer. So this is key number 2. What's key number 3? Key number 3 is severity. The severity from 0 to 10. It's very important for me to know the severity that you are having. I will give you an example. Let's say that you are having a lower back discomfort and the level is 10, being 10 the highest number. My goal and my intention working with you is to lessen that severity, to lessen that discomfort that you are feeling in your physical body. Of course, my goal is to take it to 0, but if we cannot take it to 0 in the first session, of course, we are going to reduce that severity so much that you are going to feel the relief in the first session. So this is severity, key number 3. What's the key number 4? Key number 4 is emotion code. I will show you the book of emotion code written by Dr. Bradley. Is how I learned to do this. This is the book, and what I use the emotion code chart. This is the emotion code chart. I'm gonna show you. This emotion code chart has 60 emotions, the yes and no answers that your subconscious mind is going to give me. I'm gonna ask the subconscious mind, where are the trap emotions that are creating that, for example, that discomfort in your lower back? And then I will track the emotions. I will know which of these emotions are. I will ask if the emotion is in column A, if it's in column B, if it's in line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6, and then I will find the emotion. Perhaps the emotion could be sadness. So I will track the emotion. I will see, we can ask the age, we can ask anything that your subconscious mind needs to know in order to release the emotion. So that's key number 4. What's key number 5? Key number 5 is muscle testing. Muscle testing is the key that tells you how I do this. There are different techniques how to do this. For example, some people, they use like a pendulum. I don't muscle test. I have a pendulum, but I use pendulum for other things, not to do muscle testing. How is the muscle testing that I use? I use my hands. And one technique that I use is the ring. I do 2 rings, and when I ask your subconscious mind and it's yes, the rings stick together. When the answer is no, they will open. My name is Paola. Yes. Is my name Bob? No, it's not. So this is one technique. Other technique that I use is this, and then I put my finger here inside and I ask, this is yes, And this is no. My name is Paola. Yes. Is my name John? No, it's not. So that is a muscle testing. That is a technique that I use to ask your subconscious mind. That is the way how I will be asking. What is the other key? The other key is magnet. Why magnet? I will show you the magnet that I use. I use this nickel magnet. The truth is that we have in our fingertips, we have energy. So we don't really need to use the magnet. How we release the emotions? We release the emotions using some part of the governor meridian. We can use this part from the governor meridian and we can sweep here. We are going to sweep 3 times if it's a normal trap emotion, if it's an inherited trap emotion, because we can have also inherited trap emotions that we inherited from our mother or from our father. So if it's an inherited trap emotion, we are going to do this 10 times. I can use this part of my governor meridian or I can use this part of the governor meridian. And I swipe 3 times or I go through 10 times. I can go more. It doesn't matter. Why I use the magnet? Of course, I can do it like this. I can do it with my hands. Very often I use my hands to do it. But the beautiful thing using a magnet is that this is energy. Trap emotions is energy. It's energy that we have trapped in our physical body. And these emotions that are trapped in our physical body, they can have the size of a lemon or the size of a watermelon. So when we call the trap emotions, we're calling the energy. So the energy comes to the surface. And if we use a magnet, it's bye-bye, bye-bye. That emotion, that thing that is causing discomfort, that is bothering our physical body, bye-bye. It's gone and it will never come back to our physical body. I like to use the magnet because with the magnet we amplify. That's the reason. We need a special magnet? Of course not. Sometimes I get tired, so here I have a very small magnet that I have in my fridge, and this magnet allows me to go faster. So any magnet will work. Okay, what is the other key? The other key is hydrated practitioner. Oh, this is very important. It's very important to drink water, to be hydrated. So every time and all the time, cheers, like now, I drink water. When I work with my clients, always I drink water. Before I start working, I need to drink water. I need to be hydrated. And also it's recommended that the person that I work with will drink water. So to be hydrated is very important. These are the 7 keys on how the emotion code works. What we can do using emotion code and what I do in emotion code. Okay, I work with clients that they have physical discomfort. Like neck pain, yaw pain, lower back, upper back, middle back, hip pain, knee pain, foot pain, any type of discomfort in the physical body. We can work with any physical discomfort. Also, I use emotion code with my clients to work with emotions. Perhaps it's a person that is having a lot of anxiety, or is having panic attacks, or it's very sad and it feels depressed because it's very sad and it's constantly sad. So I can work through emotions. I can work also, oh, this is something I love, because other thing that I do, I work a lot with my clients working in law of attraction, showing them and explaining them how to manifest. And the beautiful thing of this is that, well, some people, they say, I have studied so much, I have read so much, and I can manifest. When we use the emotion code to help these people that is working with law of attraction is fantastic, because if you have any block that is blocking or stopping you to manifest something, we unblock and things go very easy. So I work also with people that want to manifest more money, or not more money, or just they want to manifest money. Releasing also hard walls. We release hard walls. I will make another video on that. But for example, a person that wants to manifest love, a person that wants to manifest a new relationship also. I work with pets and animals. I work with the different behaviors that your pet can have. If it's an adopted pet and it has a different behavior, I can work with the pet and I can help your pet. Also, I work cleaning your name. I can work cleaning the energy from your house. I mean, wow, and I can go on and on and on and on using emotion code. It works. What is the problem that you have? Here I am to help you. So ask me. Always I have an answer for you, and always I have something that will suit you and that will help you. By the way, this is important. I work with English speaking people and also with Spanish speaking people. So you are going to be seeing my videos in both languages, in English and Spanish. So if you speak English, of course you are welcome. I can work with you. And if you speak Spanish, you are very welcome because also I can work with you. Thank you very much. Bye bye.